If you have pending transfers on your Bank of America account, it's important to resolve them to ensure your transactions are completed smoothly. Follow these steps to address any pending transfers. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Bank of America online banking account by entering your username and password. This will allow you to view your account details and pending transactions. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfers section in the main menu. This area will show you all your recent and pending transfers, making it easy to identify any issues. Step 3. Review pending transfers. In the Transfers section, look for any transactions marked as pending. Click on these transfers to see more details, including the amount, date, and any notes regarding the status. Step 4. Check for issues. Determine if there are any issues causing the transfer to remain pending. Common reasons include insufficient funds, incorrect account information, or a hold on the transaction. Step 5. Contact customer service. If you cannot resolve the issue on your own, contact Bank of America customer service for assistance. They can provide specific information about the pending transfer and guide you on the next steps to take. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and resolve any pending transfers in your Bank of America account. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for help.